Sun salutations. Join your hands, feet together. Inhale, arch back. Stretch your hands. Exhale, stretch and bend forward. Both palms touch to the floor. Inhale, right leg back. Right leg knee touch, toes flat. Look up. Hip down. Retain left leg back, plank position. Body should be straight in one line. Look up. Exhale, knee, chest and chin touch. Hip up maximum. Inhale, arch back, Bhujangasana. Toes flat, look up, elbow bend, shoulder stretch. Exhale, go to mountain. Stretch your shoulder maximum. Try to touch your head to the floor, heels touch to the floor. Inhale, right leg forward, left leg toes flat, right leg should between the hands. Exhale, left leg forward, bend forward, head knee touch. Inhale, hands up, arch back maximum. Exhale, Samastu. Sun salutations complete. Thank you.